Guys, have you ever noticed that during meetings, you sometimes spend more time writing notes than actually participating in the conversation? You're trying to keep up with everything that's being said, and by the end of the call, you're left with scattered notes and half-remembered ideas. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel, where I make smart tutorials. And in today's video, we're taking a look at Granola. It's not a meeting bot or a typical note-taking tool. It's an AI notepad designed to support you during conversations. The core idea behind AI Notepad is simple. It doesn't replace you, it enhances you. The product is built for people who want to stay present in meetings, while the tool quietly captures the context and turns your notes into structured insights. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. This video is sponsored by Granola, so let's jump in and see how this tool works. Friends, one thing I immediately appreciate about Granola is that there are no meeting bots suddenly appearing on your calls, making everyone uncomfortable. The AI Notepad quietly transcribes system audio while you stay focused on the conversation. The platform integrates directly with your calendar, which means you always see your schedule in advance. You can connect your Google or Microsoft account, sync your calendar with the assistant, and instantly view all upcoming meetings. It can also integrate with tools like Slack, Zapier, and Etio to automate workflows after meetings. For example, here's what my schedule looks like. In the next call, we are finalizing a press release for the Commit conference and discussing logistics for Capcom. And next week, we already have sessions planned for a deeper analysis of Tier 1 competitors and a brainstorming meeting for new slogans. Folks, but the interesting part actually starts even before the meeting begins. Inside the Skills section, there are tools specifically designed for different stages of a meeting. For example, in the Before Meeting category, you can use a skill called Suggest Topic, where the AI analyzes the context of previous discussions and suggests topics you might want to raise in the upcoming call. This way, you don't enter meetings unprepared. You walk in with the clear structure and talking points already in mind. Now let's look at a real example. Mates, here we have a meeting about GitLab. While the team is discussing a complex GTM strategy and comparing it with Tier 1 competitors, I am simply writing down key points in my notes. For instance, one idea is to combine several smaller updates into a larger vulnerability management announcement for the press. And if during the conversation you ever feel like the discussion is getting stuck, Granola has tools that help you refocus the conversation. For example, you can run the What Did I Miss skill to quickly catch up on the most important insights from the discussion. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but it helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Another skill called Look Again suggests deeper and more challenging questions you might want to ask right now in the meeting. And this is really where the AI Notepad shines. You remain the leader of the conversation, while the tool helps ensure the accuracy and completeness of the information you capture. Friends, once the meeting is finished, you can generate structured notes where the platform automatically turns your raw notes and the transcription into a clean meeting summary. At that point, you also gain access to skills and recipes. These are curated sets of prompts created with help from industry experts, designed to turn your notes into actionable outputs. For example, the right follow-up email recipe can automatically generate a subject line and a complete follow-up email for your team based on the meeting discussion. You can also return to any of your past notes and analyze them further. Guys, for instance, a skill like Coach Me can analyze your negotiation style during meetings and provide professional suggestions on how to improve your communication in future discussions. For developers, there's also a skill called Create Linear Ticket, which can instantly convert parts of the meeting transcript into a structured technical task. And for content creators, there's even a skill called Will It Go Viral, where you can evaluate the potential of your ideas for social media. What's interesting is that the system doesn't just generate answers. It analyzes the context, asks questions, discusses ideas with you, and gives thoughtful suggestions that help refine your thinking. Mates, all of these skills are organized into categories, which makes them easy to navigate. Whether it's market analysis, content creation, or planning follow-ups, Granola turns your meeting notes into a real working tool rather than just stored information. Look, in many ways, the AI Notepad becomes your personal knowledge base. You can ask questions not only about a single meeting, but about an entire project folder that contains multiple calls and discussions. Moreover, the system can instantly connect different conversations, linking topics like pricing discussions, onboarding challenges, and product feedback. Folks, you can even ask the AI to highlight potential blind spots that the team may have overlooked during discussions. And all of this is synchronized with iOS, so your notes and ideas are always available when you need them. Alright friends, let's wrap this up. Today we've explored how Granola works as an AI notepad that helps you stay focused during meetings while still capturing everything that matters. Instead of relying on bots or complicated setups, it simply transcribes the conversation and turns your notes into structured insights you can work with later. What really stands out is how the AI Notepad fits naturally into the workflow of people who spend a lot of time in meetings. With skills, recipes, and the ability to explore your notes across projects, it turns simple meeting notes into something much more useful. If you're excited to try it out, or have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.